I'm excited to offer Starting Imperfectly, the first of a series of workshops I hope to offer this year with Living Bridges around the theme of Nonviolent Communication, or NVC, and Social Change. Um, this workshop particularly will focus on what may keep us from beginning. Very often we wait for the right person, the right circumstances, the right combination of events, the right moment. Um, and underlying this could be thinking or evaluations, beliefs that we have about ourselves or about the world at large. And this keeps us from taking that first step. We will explore also the personal and social impact of not taking those steps. The personal impact of buying into our beliefs about the world or ourselves can be that we stay stuck in circumstances that are not nourishing to us, that keep us from living our full potential. And the social impact of this can be understood once we understand the social value of each of us showing up. Because you, just as you are, where you are, with your set of experiences, circumstances, skills, and your specific area of influence, what is available to you, have something to offer that nobody else can, just as each of us do. So if you and I don't examine where our beliefs come from, we don't look at what is holding us back, then that the things that we can do will not get done. Because each of us has an infinite power to make an impact, an infinite power to make a difference and to really care for the world that we live in. So that's what we're going to explore in this workshop. I really look forward to seeing you there.